there, beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jing the Candid Filipina. So today, I gonna meet Shane Ann again for her venture. So we'll see how she feels. And I, I can see her with her auntie actually here in the Sands. And she is waiting there, right there. So I bet she's very excited. So we'll see. Hi, good morning. Excited? Are you feeling excited? Yes. Very excited. Did you sleep last night? Oo. Sure. You're so excited. Okay. So I'll see you in a bit.
Wait, thank you, Dok. Dali ra lagi kaayo.
Yeah, actually, nana ni pag Saturday.
Oh, ni-message siya na ako. Thank you for being compassionate and so caring, Doc.
Wow. Always welcome.
Yes, you're very hardworking. Thank you.
Okay. Now she can smile. 8 years na.
Okay.
Amazing. Sige, paas daw. Yes, bring it down. Yes, smile daw. So, dili jud align lang niya hampid.
Dili siya align.
This is the best that we can do.
Mm.
At least 1 hour. Kani taas lang, kani mas ubos, no?
Mm.
So, at least kana, makayusin na ni siya.
Yes.
Ha?
Thank you so much,
better na
Doc.
ni.
Yeah, if ever you have any problems in your teeth, just visit Doc Neil here in Carmen. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, na ko ipasign. Out sa mo sign.
Yeah, it's her.
Kano na sign? Kani ay. Dili ka sign sa ubos ha. 1. Isa naman ta? 20. Installation. Ya, dahil tanggalin yun na siya dahil kada gabihan. Yung siya. Yung toothbrush niyo mo sa imong teeth. Apila siya brush ha. Anak. Okay. Okay na ta.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you,
Doc.
Mom.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
What can you say to your donators and subscribers who support you?
Thank you very much for the support, and hope you support Ate Jane's channel.
So you're happy.
Yes, very happy, very happy, very happy.
I'm so happy for you. Thank you so much. So, Auntie is very happy. Auntie, what can you say, Auntie?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you so much. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next video. And she's very happy, very happy, and she looks different, guys. So, thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.